Howdy, this is Chuck with Simply NUC, and this is the new Arena Canyon 13th Gen Intel Core processors from Simply NUC. Today we're going to take a look, and as you can tell, this is not a consumer box. This is a prototype unit. The box that you receive will look a little nicer than this, but the contents will still be the same. Inside the box, we have our 13th Gen Intel NUC. We have a 120 watt power supply, and we have a power cord for your country's needs. Also in the box is a Visa plate and a screw package for mounting the NUC. The screw package also contains the power cord retention, which we'll show when we show the back. As always, we'll start with the front. And looking at the right side, we have our illuminated power button. We have a 4-pin 3.5 millimeter HD audio jack, which has the microphone and stereo headphones. We have two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A 10 gigabit USB ports, and one of the two supports fast charging. Taking a look at the left side, we have our Kensington lock, and we have a large air ingest area for cooling. And then looking at the right side, we have a large air ingest area as well for cooling the unit. Now let's take a look at the back. Starting with the top left, we have a screw post that's used for the cord retention. Below it is the 5.5 by 2.5 positive tip DC jack. This takes a standard power supply. The power cord retention is a small T that once you plug in the cord, you can wrap the cord around the T and screw it in, and that'll keep it from coming out if the unit gets moved. Below it and centered is our large I/O expansion area. Above that is, and centered, is our 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. And to its right is another two Type A USB ports. One of these is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabit port, and the other one is a USB 2.0 port. On both sides of the Ethernet and USB ports are our two HDMI ports. Both HDMI are HDMI 2.1, TMDS compliant, and support up to 4K at 60 Hz monitors. And above those two HDMI are two Type C USB alternate display port and Thunderbolt 4 ports. These will support up to 20 gigabit USB, up to 36 gigabit or 8K monitor support in the DisplayPort mode, or up to Thunderbolt 4, which is two 4K at 60 Hz monitors. Along the top is the hot air exhaust area. As usual with the 4x4 NUCs, the lid is easily removable, and Simply NUC can provide you with cosmetic lids, which could have your corporate logo on it, as well as functional lids, which provide additional I/O. You'll see that on both sides of the fan are the Wi-Fi 6E radio antennas. And so this is Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth. Taking a look at the bottom, you can see the 4 rubber plugs, which are used for the mounting screws for the optional 2.5 SATA drive. Up to 8 terabytes is supported. And you'll see the 2 screw posts for the Visa mount. Next, let's take a look at what's inside. Starting from the left side, you can see the 2230 M.2 key E slot, which has a Wi-Fi 6E card in it, which also has Bluetooth 5.2. Stacked above that card is the 2280 M.2 key M slot, which supports both PCIe Gen 3 and Gen 4 SSDs. Additionally, that slot will support HDMI or SDI capture cards. In the middle, you can see the 2242 key B I/O expansion slot. This does support SATA and PCI Express SSDs, as well as I/O expansion. And Simply NUC has several options to choose from, 2.5 gigabit and 5 gigabit Ethernet being the most popular, but also additional USB host controllers for those of you running multiple camera capture through USB options. And then on the right side, you can see the two DDR4 3200 DIMM slots, up to 64 gig of memory can be supported. With the M.2 slot supporting up to the 2280 supporting up to 8 terabytes of storage. Additionally, 2 terabytes of storage could go into the 2242 slot, and then an additional 8 terabytes in the 2.5-inch drive. You can get 18 terabytes of total storage in the unit. The Arena Canyon from Simply NUC comes with 5 different processor options. You can find a processor that meets your performance needs and remote manageability. With up to 18 terabytes of storage and 64 gig of memory, and through the expanded I/O capability for more NICs, USB ports, or even frame grabbers, and we can even do your own custom I/O, you can find that the Arena Canyon can fit into applications you never thought possible. Head over to simplynuc.com and custom configure an Arena Canyon specifically for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And for more content, please be sure to subscribe and click that notification.